Yeah, my name's Matt Etcher. I live here in Pella, Iowa, and a couple of years ago we had a storm that came through and blew some of the shingles off of my roof. So we had to at least fix those or look into getting a new roof placed on the house. My experience with Right Roofing was really awesome. They did a really good job of communicating, letting me know when they were going to do the project, even cleaned up the old materials, took them away. We didn't have to deal with any of that process. It was just a really smooth flow from the beginning to the end. The roof looks great. When they were up there, they were taking some pictures as they were going through and doing the work, and they were looking after me. I would recommend them to anybody, whether they're my friends, my neighbors, family. They're just a great crew to work with, honest and upfront about everything. I love the experience working with them.